I wonder if you find as a solopreneur that you are working all the time, kind of like 24/7. If there's a call that comes in, it's something you feel like you have to handle. If there's an email you need to handle, if there's social media going on, there just never seems to be time to take off. And creating those boundaries can sometimes be really difficult. And I know for me, I've gotten better about it. I really do. I have my calendar set up and I've, set things up in such a way, but it just seems to kind of creep in, even when I have things set up. So I thought it might be fun to just do a little bit of tapping around that and release whatever it is that keeps us feeling like we have to answer all the calls and be on all the time. When I tune into that, this feeling like I have to keep everything going. It's a pressure that it's all on me. Everything is on me. There really isn't anyone else to do it. Boy, that pressure, I can feel it kind of squeezing my head, kind of stopping my breath. So that tapping target, let's find our little tapping target is pressure. We're just going to talk about it as pressure. We can find it, like I said, I can feel it squeezing in my head. We'll just use that part right now. And for you, it might be a little different. So whatever that is, insert, your experience. And on a scale of 0 to 10, how much pressure do you feel? And that first thought for me, 0 to 10, that pressure is about a 6. So we have our rating and now we can start tapping. So let's go to the side of the hand. Even though I feel all this pressure, it's my business and it's all on me. That's what it feels like. And actually, it's sort of true. It's my business. It is all on me. And this pressure, I'm ready for it to not be quite so intense. And so I'm open to the possibility that I could come to a more calm and peaceful place with this pressure. Go to the top of the head. All this pressure. It's all on me. I need to answer all the emails, all the calls, all the social media. There's so much pressure. And it's all on me. And if I don't take care of it, who will take care of it? It's got to get done somehow. And it's just easier if I take care of it quickly. Even on my days off. Even when I'm not really supposed to be working. If I can just do it in a couple of minutes, why not get it done? I need to make sure that the business keeps flowing. So I've got to do it all. All this pressure. It's all on me. It's all on me to get it all done. And I know I expect other people that I work with to answer the phone 24/7. Especially if I know they're a solopreneur. I think they should just be taking care of everything all the time. They should never take any time off. I don't even know why they think they should sleep. Because if I send them something, I expect them to respond right away. Not really. I completely understand. In fact, I like it when they take time off. Well, honestly, sometimes it might piss me off a little bit that they do and I don't. But When I really think about it, I think it's good they take time off. And I know when I take time off, I'm actually better when I come back. And I deserve to take time off. I can put an out of office on my email. It's okay if I don't get to the social media right away. Everything will wait. And it's so much better when I take time for myself. Let's just check back in. Take a nice deep breath in and then relax it out. And get a rating. I was at the 4. The pressure really seems to have dissipated. And I'd say I'm at about a 1. And so for a little quick round of tapping, I'm feeling pretty good. If I have some more time, I'd like to see what else is in that, that 1. And we'll save that for another day. But for now, this will do the trick, and I'm ready to get back into what I have on my plate. I hope you are too.